Tired of juggling between Wati and HubSpot? Wishing your support team could provide quicker, more personalized service? Fear not, in the next 90 seconds, we'll show you exactly how to integrate Wati with HubSpot, unlocking a whole new level of customer support efficiency. First, log into your Wati account, then, on the left-hand sidebar, find the Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon, and click on it. Within the Settings menu, look for Integrations. It might be listed under Advanced or Third-Party Integrations. Click on Integrations to proceed. You'll see a list of available integrations. Scroll down until you find HubSpot. The HubSpot logo should be clearly visible. Next to the HubSpot integration, you will see a Connect or Activate button. Click on this button to initiate the connection process. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to log into your HubSpot account. Enter your HubSpot username and password. You will be asked to select the specific HubSpot account you want to connect with Wati. If you manage multiple accounts, choose the right one. HubSpot will then ask you to grant Wati certain permissions to access data. Carefully review the permissions requested, such as access to contacts, tickets, and communication logs. Grant the necessary permissions to allow the integration to function correctly. Once you've granted permissions, you'll be redirected back to Wati. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the HubSpot integration was successful. Now, Wati data will automatically sync with HubSpot. New contacts and updated information in Wati will be reflected in HubSpot. Let's examine contact properties. You can also set up automated ticket creation in HubSpot whenever a new conversation starts in Wati, ensuring that every customer interaction is tracked. Additionally, leverage HubSpot contact data within Wati to personalize your communication messages, creating a tailored support experience. And that's it. Your support team is now empowered with a streamlined workflow, leading to happier customers and more efficient support operations. Ready to supercharge your customer support? Check out the links in the description for more details and resources to help you get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful integrations.